Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Marine. How are you, Marine? Why I cannot hear you? I cannot hear you, Marine. Hi. Hello, Fafa. Is Baiboa with you, Fafa?
Yes.
Wow, Baiboa visit Fafa. Very good. Yay.
Good
Yes.
afternoon,
You visit
Lilibet.
Papa Baiboa. Very good. Hello.
Hello, teacher. Hello.
Papa, Baiboa. Hi. Oi. Good afternoon. Erin. Erin, Baiboa, Papa. Oi. Okay. How are you this afternoon? You are so busy. Okay, are you ready for our science?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. You have to prepare first your science and technology book, this one. Prepare first this one. Very good, Baiboa. You visit Papa. Yes. You're happy, Papa, that Baiboa visit you?
Yes.
Yes. Because you will play, because tomorrow you don't have a class. You can play today after school, after this one, right?
On site Thursday is birthday.
Birthday of
Thursday on site.
Papa?
โรงเรียนเปิดวันพฤหัสทุกวันนี้
Birthday of Papa? Whose birthday?
เขาให้ลากไปหาฉันได้ไม่ใช่ฉัน
Papa's birthday ka? This one, science and technology. And then you have to open it to page number 4.
Number 4.
Yes, ka.
Yes, number 4.
Yes.
By number 4.
Yes. Okay, are you ready? Okay, I prepared this one for you. Just a minute.
นี่โฟอยู่นี่นี่เขาให้ทำอะไร
Okay.
วงกลมเห็นไหม
ได้ค่ะเดี๋ยวรอฟังทีเชอร์ก่อนว่าทีเชอร์จะสอนอะไรนะคะโอเคมาเก็บ
Okay, welcome to our
ค่อยทำอะไรให้ทีเชอร์สอนก่อนทำของทีเชอร์
welcome to our science class.
Science class.
Okay. Okay, so get ready. Okay, let's go to this. Taking care of health. This is our topic for today. This is in page number 4. Taking care of health. Okay? And you have to prepare and open your book to page number 4. This one. This is the page. This is our, okay? This is the page that we're going to answer today. Okay? Now let us continue. I want you to listen to this one. This one is related to our topic, okay? You have to listen to this and enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm Chica. Please click to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get updates on new videos.
ให้ดูสิมาด้วยอ่ะ
That is about healthy habits, okay? And that is our topic for today. How to take care of our health, okay? How to healthy habits, okay? Healthy habits for healthy kids. I will read this one first for you, okay? Get about 8 hours of sleep each night Do some form of exercise every day. Run, walk, stretch, play. Okay? Be healthy. Practice good hygiene by keeping yourself clean and germ-free. Okay? Stay energized. Eat nutritious meals and snacks daily. Include foods from these groups: dairy, grains, proteins, vegetables, and fruits. Stay safe. Wear proper gear when playing sports, bicycles, or riding in a car. Okay? Obey safety rules. Okay, this is how to keep to maintain a healthy habit. Stay fit, stay healthy, stay energized. We always have to stay safe. Now let's go to this one. Okay? I write it here first. Let me read this one first for you. Later on, you will read this one, okay? Start the day with a healthy breakfast, okay? Plan and prepare one meal each week. Eat together as a family as often as possible. Take time eating and chew slowly. Eat more vegetables and fruit and fresh fruits. Get enough sleep. Drink plenty of fluids. Get up early. Okay? Now let's go to this one. I want you now to read this one. Okay, this is your turn. Papa, can you read this one?
Yes. Get enough sleep.
Okay, get enough sleep. Okay? That is very important. We have to eat at least 8 hours a day. Okay? To keep our body to have a healthy habit, we need to get enough sleep. Now let's go to this one. We have to. Can you read this one?
Up early.
Get up early. Okay, Marine, can you? Yes, very good. Get up early. And how about Oi? Can you read this one, Oi? Oi? Oi, can you read this one? Get up. Oi? Get up.
Eat up
Early. Okay, get up early. So you need to get up early, okay? And now you have to, can you read this one? Eat
healthy breakfast.
Okay, healthy breakfast. Yes. Oi, can you read this one? Oi? Oi? Healthy breakfast. And by Boa? By Boa?
Healthy breakfast.
Okay, you need to choose to eat healthy breakfast. Okay, you need to have some. Yes, you need to have some vegetables. Okay, you have to eat some. You need to choose a healthy breakfast. Okay, now let's go to this one. Can you read?
Drink plenty of the water.
Drink plenty of water. Okay? Drink plenty of water. You have to drink plenty of water. At least you can have 8 glasses a day. That is very good. Okay, you have to drink plenty of water. That is one of a healthy habit. Okay, number 1. That is drinking plenty of water is very good for our health. Okay, Oi, can you drink this one? Can you read this one, Oi? Oi?
Yes. Teacher.
Drink. Can you read? You can read. Drink.
Drink. Water.
Plenty of water. Okay? Drink plenty of water. Okay? You have to go walking. Okay, you have to go walking. Okay? This one is very healthy habit. Okay, you need to do some exercise. You need to do walking. Okay? For us to have a healthy, okay, healthy lifestyle, healthy habit, okay? And you have to do some exercise every day, okay? That's why you need to spend time to play with friends, to play with mommy and daddy, so you can do some exercise, because exercise is very important, okay? Very healthy habit, okay? We need to do some exercise so we can avoid sickness. Have you seen? Our topic for today is talking about all the sickness here. There are a lot of kind of sickness. Will not take care of our health. So we need to take care of our health, especially during this time. Okay? We need to choose to eat a healthy foods. Okay? We have to drink plenty of waters. We need to do some exercise. Okay? And now let's go. You have to play with friends. Okay. Just like with friends. Okay, just like Baiboa. Baiboa today is visiting Papa. And for sure, they will play today, right? You will play today, Papa and Baiboa? Okay. They spend time. Yes, that's why Baiboa visit Papa today, because we are planning to play. Okay? We are planning to play. For this one, playing with friends is one of healthy habits. Okay? You can exercise your body, your mind. Okay? This you can have a you can be happy with your friends, can spend together memories. So this one is a healthy habit. Okay. Now let's go to this one. Can you read this one first? Okay, Papa, can you read this one first? Okay, very good. And can you read this one also by Boa? Okay. And Marine?
Play with friends.
Okay, play with friends. Okay. And also, Oi, can you read this one first, Oi? Oi, can you read this one, Oi? Play with friends.
Play
with friends. Okay? Okay, now let's go to the next. Let's go to the next. Okay, look at this one. Okay.
Eat healthy food.
Yes. Look at this one first.
Eat healthy food.
You have to choose to eat healthy foods, okay? You have to choose to eat healthy foods, okay? Can you give me any healthy foods? Fruits, can you give me? What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruits? Fruits? Egg, you can eat. Okay, egg is very healthy. Yes,
favorite food. Favorite baby chắc cái này làm sao?
Okay, so
Hot dog.
You have to choose to eat healthy foods, okay? You need to choose to eat healthy foods. That is very, very important, especially during this time, okay? You have to eat healthy foods and vegetables, meat, okay? Fruits, okay? You have to choose to eat healthy foods. We need all to take care of ourselves, okay? Always. Always. And you also have to
Check your
okay, you have to take your vitamins, okay? You have to take your vitamins, okay?
vitamins.
Okay, take your vitamins, okay? So you can have a healthy body. Okay, Oi, can you read this one, Oi? Oi? Take your vitamins, okay? Because you need to take care of yourself. You need to drink plenty of water, choose to eat healthy foods. Okay, you have to eat healthy foods, vegetables, fruits, okay? And you have to, because if not, if you will not take care of yourself, if you will not do some exercise, you can catch a cold, or you can get easily sick, okay? If you will not take care of yourself,
Health problems. What's the matter? Cold. Better soon. I have a cough. Better soon. I cut myself. Cut. I hope you get better soon. What's the matter? I have a fever. Get some rest. I hope you get... What's the matter? I got mine's arm broken. Get some rest. I hope you get better soon. What's the matter? I have a headache. Get some rest. I hope you... What's the matter? Runny nose. Get some rest.
I have a sore throat.
Sore throat. Soon.
Don't eat too much candy. It can cause
What's the matter? Stomach ache.
not healthy
Get
food.
some rest.
Time to choose to eat healthy food.
What's the matter?
So eating too much sweet.
Toothache.
Your teeth. Okay?
Toothache. I hope you get better soon.
Your teeth.
Cold.
Cold.
Cut.
Fever.
Get headache.
Runny nose.
Sore throat.
Okay, you like that video? So that video shows that if you will not take care of ourselves, if you will not eat healthy food, if you will not do exercise, if we will not drink plenty of water, we can have this kind of sickness, okay? It's easy for us to get cough if we will not drink plenty of water, if you will not do exercise, if you will not eat healthy food. Okay, so you need to choose to do healthy habits. Okay, healthy habits, healthy lifestyle, healthy foods. Okay, so you can this cup will come
ช่วยถามว่าทำได้ไหมคือ
back
กินอา
to
หาร
you. Okay, don't let cup touch you. Okay, you say no, not like that. You need to say no to cup. No.
no ข้าว
Okay, you need to say X to cup. Okay, because I am having healthy food, I am doing some exercise, and you're drinking water, so you can say no to cup. Okay, cup is
กำลังกายกิน
bad.
น้ำเยอะๆกินอาหารมีประโยชน์แล้วจะไม่ไอ
Avoid eating cup. And you can have this one.
No หรือเปล่านี่
Okay, so don't sleep. You have to put
Runny nose ก็เป็นอะไร
runny nose. So if you will take care of yourself, okay, you have to make proper hygiene. You have to always have to wash your hands. Okay, you have to eat healthy foods, healthy habits. You can. This kind of sickness is very far from you. This one you can say
no
to runny nose. Okay, you can say no. You can say no to runny nose because you are taking care of your health. Okay, so don't keep this one. This one is a no. And what is this?
fever
So in order for you not to catch fever easily, we have to have a healthy lifestyle. You have to choose to eat healthy food. Healthy food. Okay? Drink plenty of waters. You have to eat vegetables. You have to eat meat. Okay? You have to choose to eat healthy foods, and don't forget to drink your milk, your vitamins, okay? And you have to eat fruits. You have to eat fruits, okay? So fever, you can say no, fever, no. Okay, fever is an X. Okay, don't allow fever will disturb you, okay? Okay, this one is very disturbing kind of sickness because if you have a fever, you cannot play. If you have a fever, you cannot play. And mommy and daddy will be sad, okay? So you need to take care of your health. And when you are, oh my God.
Wow. Leg broken.
Oh, you are not watching your step. What happened? Oh my God. It goes down. Okay? If you will not watch yourself, you can have an accident like this. And you can hurt yourself. Look at here. The chair is very far from here. Huh? And he wants to sit down to the chair. Okay? She is not watching the chair. That's why she falls down. Okay? Is this happened to you already? You experienced this one already? So you need to watch your step, okay? You need to watch your step so you will not fall down and you will not hurt yourself. Okay? Okay.
เขาจะนั่งลงเก้าอี้ไงนั่งผิดที่ไม่ได้ถูกหลังตูดไงเลยหงายหลังเลย
When you are playing, you need to watch. Okay? Because you have to. You can make any accident anytime. When you are not, if you are not careful, you can an accident. Okay, let us check this one. Okay, this one is you can watch your step. You have to watch your move. So you will not get hurt. Okay? You have to take care so you will not get hurt. And look at this one. Okay, look at this one. Okay, when you have a stair in your home, you have to hold that. Okay? Oh,
เดินลงบันไดนั่นน่ะกิ้งเลยเห็นไหมเนี่ย
watching his step. Okay, you need to watch your step and hold the staircase. Okay, so you need to take care because if you will not watch your step, you will fall down. Okay, you will fall down and it can hurt you. Okay, so you need to watch your step. Okay, look at this one, okay? Okay, who has a stair here in your home? By boy, your home has a stair? Papa, you have a stair in your home?
Yes.
You have this stair in your home, by boy?
Yes, I hold.
Also, Papa, you have a stair in your home? You have to watch your step, okay? Because if not, you will fall down like this one. Because he is not watching his step. Okay, this one is an X, okay? You have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of yourself, okay? So look at this. Look at this one. Okay, look at, you finished? You finished already? Okay. He can take care of health. So you need to protect yourself, okay? You need to protect yourself by choosing to have a healthy habit. So you will not get sick like this in the picture. All of them get sick. They catch a cold. You finish already? Have you answered? So all you have to do, this one is to write in the circle the number, the matching pictures. All you have to do is to write the number to the matching picture. Is it so easy? Is it so easy?
Yes.
You answered it already?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, you are very good. You are all very smart.
Teacher, I answer already.
You answered already?
Yes.
Okay, you are very good. So, okay, now we still have, just a minute. Not yet that one, not yet that one, no, not yet that one. Okay, I will first ask you to read this one. Before, I will ask you to first to read this one. Right, just try to read. Let us try to read because we still have time, okay? Okay, let's go to this one. Now I want to check your reading skills. Not this one. Not this one, not this one. I want to check your reading skills. If you can read this one. Okay, just a minute. I will check. I will try to let you read this one. Okay, this one. Okay. Can you read? If you can read this one. Okay, can you read? Who can read this one?
Okay.
Papa, you can read this one, Papa.
Number 1.
Start the day with breakfast.
Wow, very good, Papa. Okay, continue, Papa.
Number 2.
Number 2. Number 2.
Train and prepare one meal each week.
Wow, very good, Papa. Now, let's continue, Papa.
Number 3.
Number 3, Papa.
Eat together as a family as often as possible.
Yeah, very good, Papa. Number 4.
Take time eating and chew slowly.
Very good, Papa. Now let's go to number 5.
Eat more vegetables and fresh fruits.
Okay, very good. Number 6.
Now
Enough.
Enough
sleep.
sleep.
Okay, very good.
Drinking
Of
food.
Fluids. Very good, Papa.
get up early.
Get up
Early.
early.
Okay, very good. Yeah, Papa know how to read this one. Can we check by Boa? Can you read by Boa? This one by Boa. Okay, by Boa. It's your turn by Boa.
Start
The day.
the day
Which are healthy.
which is healthy.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Yeah, just a minute. Sorry. Just a minute.
อ่านตามเดี๋ยวถึงเวลาเราได้
Okay. By Boa.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Plan
Plan and
And
prepare
one meal.
one meal.
Eat with.
Eat with.
okay, very good.
Eat together.
Eat together.
At a
At a family
and
as
object
object
as possible.
as possible.
Very good by Boa.
Take
Let's go
time
next.
Take time.
eating
Eating
and chew
and chew
slowly.
slowly.
Very good, Papa. By Boa.
Eat more
Bye.
Eat small.
vegetable
Vegetable
and fat food.
and fake food.
Very good by Boa.
Get enough
Get enough
sleep.
sleep.
Okay, very good.
Drink plenty
Drink plenty
of food.
of food.
Fluids. Okay, very good, Papa.
Get up
Get up
early.
early.
Yeah, very good. Papa
My boa.
by Boa finish. Okay, can we check Marine? Okay, Marine. Number 1.
Start the day
Yes.
with a healthy breakfast.
Yes, very good, Marine. Number 2.
Plan and prepare
Prepare.
meal
Yes.
is with.
Yes, very good, Marine.
Eat together as a
Family
Family.
as
Often
as
as
possible.
possible. Yes, very good, Marine.
Take time eating
and chew slowly.
and chew slowly.
Very good, Marine. Number 5.
Eat more with vegetable and fresh food.
Fresh fruit. Very good, Marine. Number 6.
Get enough sleep.
Get enough sleep.
Yes, very good.
Drink
Drink
plenty
of food.
plenty
and food.
of fluids. Okay, very good, Marine.
Get up early.
Eat up early. Very good. Yay. Very good, Marine. You know how to read. Very good. Now let's go to Oi. Can we try Oi? Oi, look at here, Oi. Oi, can we read Oi? Oi. Oi. Oi, you hear me, Oi? You can read Oi. I will help you read this one, Oi. Oi. Can you tell me? Is Oi freezing? Oi is not here. Okay, you are very good. So you know already how to read. Papa. By Boa. Oi, you can read this one, Oi. And you read this one, Oi. Okay. Okay, come on, Oi. Number 1. Oi. Number 1, Oi. Can you start?
Okay.
Okay, start. Okay.
Okay.
Start. The day. Okay, point. Where are you now, Oi? Okay, Oi. You cannot. Oi.
I see.
Oh, okay, your internet is slow, Oi.
No walk back.
Oi.
จะได้พาใบบัวเล่นตู้ตุ๊กตา
Okay, I think the internet of Oi is low. Okay, you can do it, Oi. Okay, now you can read this one, Oi. Can you read this one, Oi? Okay, can we start again? Okay, start. Number 1. Start the day.
เราจะพูดอะไรนี้
Can you? Okay, Oi. Start the day.
มันมีตัวไหน
Come on, Oi. You read this one, Oi.
ตอนเช้ากับตอนนี้ตอนเย็น
Okay, Oi. Come on, Oi. Read this one, Oi. Start the day. Okay, I think Oi cannot. The internet of Oi is not working so well.
เป็นยาทำข้าวเก่งเลยแม่ที่
Okay, Oi is freezing. Okay, it's okay, Oi. It's okay, Oi. Look at here, Oi. Okay, look at here, Oi. Look at here. Look at here. Can you follow?
มาเลือกตั้ง
Start the
แม่
day.
ที่ตัดไม้
ใช่ผู้ล้มเบอร์ 1แล้วได้คะแนน9เลย
ปู่เหรอปู่ได้ไหม
Okay, so you need to do this one to have a healthy
อบตเบอร์ 3 จะอบ
healthy
ต
habit, okay? To have a healthy body, okay? Healthy and strong body. Okay, Oi, can you read now? Start. Number 1, Oi.
ปู่ได้เป็นไหมปู่ไม่ได้
Start. Start.
Okay.
Start the day with
When
a
a
healthy breakfast. Breakfast. Okay?
breakfast
Yes. Number 2, plan and prepare. Plan and
ว่าปีเป็นแปลว่า
okay. Plan and prepare.
a meal each week
Okay, the internet of Oi is okay. Plan. Come on, Oi. Plan and prepare.
the plan
Prepare 1 meal each week. Okay. Okay, very good, Oi. Eat together as a family as often as possible. As possible.
as possible.
Okay. Number 4. Take
ปะพาวรินเรียนเงินวิชา
take time.
ปะพาวรินวิชา
มะพร้าวเรียนเงิน
Eating.
พวกนี้นี่เนี่ย
วิชานี้เรียนชื่อ
Eating and
do
เช็คเปล่าไหม
slowly.
แต่
ข้าวผม
ไม่ทำผม
Slowly.
ข้าวผมยาวใช่ไหม
Slowly.
บัวผันนี่คือ
Number 5. Eat
ของ
more.
กระเป๋าฝัง
More. Yes. Vegetables.
ข้าวผมยาวไม่ใช่ข้าวใช่ไหมเดียวพัดกระปีไม่เปล่า
Fruits.
ข้าว
Okay? Okay. Yeah, number 6. Eat in eat enough sleep. Okay, get enough sleep. Okay, number 7. Drink plenty of fluids. Okay? Okay. Get number 8. Get up early. Okay? Get up early. Okay? So you need to practice up early. Yes, very good, Oi. Very good, Oi. Okay. So you need to practice you need to practice also reading, okay? You also have to practice reading. Papa is very good in reading already. Marine also. Iboa and Oi, okay? So you have to keep practice reading, okay? So you can be, okay. Because all K3 are very, very, very smart, right? I am so proud and very happy for all K3 because you are all very smart. So now I will not give you, I will not talk. I want you to read this one. I will not read this one. You will read this one for me, okay? Can you read this one for me? Okay. Get enough sleep. Okay. Boa.
Get enough sleep.
Get enough sleep.
Okay, Marine.
Get enough sleep.
Okay, Oi.
Eat and early.
Enough sleep. Get enough sleep. Okay?
Sleep.
Okay, get enough sleep. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, by Boa, Papa.
Papa, get up.
Get up early.
Okay, very good. By Boa.
Get up early.
Okay, Marine.
Get up early.
Okay, Oi.
Get up early.
Okay, very good. Now let's go to this.
Healthy breakfast.
Okay, very good, Papa. Boa.
Healthy breakfast.
Yes. How about Marine?
Healthy breakfast.
Yes. How about Oi?
Healthy breakfast.
Yes. Very good. You are very good. Now let's go to this.
Drink
plenty of water.
Okay. Drink plenty of water. Very good.
Drink
plenty
of water.
Of water. Okay, Marine. Can you read this one, Marine?
Drink plenty of water.
Okay. Oi?
Drink plenty of water.
Okay. Drink plenty of water. Okay, very good. Now let's go to this.
Walking.
Okay. By Boa?
Walking.
Marine?
Walking.
Okay, Oi?
Walking.
Okay, walking. Okay, now let's go to this one. Papa?
Exercise.
Okay. By Boa?
Exercise.
Okay, very good, Marine.
Exercise.
How about Oi?
Exercise.
Okay, very good. Now?
Play with friends.
Play with friends.
Yes,
Play with friends.
Yes, play with friends. Very good, Papa and by Boa. Now let's go to Marine.
Play with friends.
Yes, play with friends and Oi?
With friends.
Okay, play with friends. Okay, now this one.
Eat healthy foods.
Okay, very good,
Eat
Papa.
healthy food.
Okay, how about Marine? Marine?
Eat healthy food.
Okay, very good, Marine. How about Oi?
Eat healthy food.
Okay, very good. Now let's go to this one.
Check your
vitamin.
Okay, you have to take your
vitamin.
Okay, Oi.
Your vitamin.
Oi.
มาฟ้าพูด
Take your vitamins.
Vitamin.
Okay, so in order for you to have a healthy habit, you can take care of your health by doing this, all what you are reading here today. That is very important. That is a reminder for you on how to take care of your health, on how to take care of yourself. So you will not become like in this, all of this kind of sickness here in this book. So all in this book is X, okay? You need to say no to any kind of sickness. Okay, look at this one. You have to say no to all of them. Okay, you need to put X to stop it. X. You need to say no to, what is this? Say no to running nose. Okay, this is an F, okay? And also you have to say no to fever. This is also an X, okay? I put a big X, okay? So because you need not to go to this. And then you have to so be careful. Oh, my Boa and Papa will play today. Accident. So my Boa and Papa, you will play today, and tomorrow you don't have school, so for sure you will play, and you have to take care, okay? So you will not become like this one, okay? And this one is a big X, okay? And also, when you are walking your stairs, you have to take care slowly until the last step. Because if not, you will fall down like that, okay? So you have to always, this one also an X, so you need to always take care of yourself, okay, Kitri? And your worksheet, right? You already answer your book?
Yes.
Okay, so I want to say thank you to all of you for listening and for answering all the questions here. And our time is already up. And enjoy your time, Kitri. I want to see your heart. Kitri. Very okay.
See you
on
school.
You have to enjoy your time, okay? Bye. Papa.
Bye. Cool. Bye bye.
คุยกับปาดีที่เชื่อไปแล้ว